and then his grandchildren. At 3A, well, relate this to, for example, the other titles that we've been working with. All That Glitters is, again, the title of our Unit 4, okay? Avarice, for example, the poem that we read. Desiring things sometimes is going to not lead to good things, but to bad things. Be careful what you wish for, if you will. Finally, at 3B, to own a text like this. What if for you, I mean, we can read the story and go, Midas, so silly, so silly. And yet each of us will have to admit that there's things in our lives that we've longed for that once we got them, they somehow changed us in some fundamental way. In your own life, what are the things that you wanted so desperately, but when you got them, they lessened your capacity to be able to enjoy your life? So for example, maybe you became so focused on that one thing that you lost all the other precious things in your life. I hope Hawthorne's story has helped you gain not just knowledge, but wisdom. Thank you.